Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Donny Days. Thank you so much for joining us. Today's topic is impulse buys. We're going to talk about impulse buys. An impulse buy is a spur of the moment purchase, a purchase not originally planned in your budget. Most of the time, it can cause you to go off track when it comes to your budget. One way to avoid an impulse buy is to wait 7 days before making an unplanned purchase, and remember that you have a goal in mind, and sticking to it will definitely make you less stressed in the long run. Another way to avoid an impulse buy is to know your triggers and steer clear of them. Some examples of triggers are like fast food, going to the mall, Amazon, online shopping. An impulse buy will cause you to take steps backwards instead of forwards. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Donny Days, for more tips on budget and savings. Also, follow us on social media at Budget Unlocked. That's Instagram and Facebook. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.